All right, so we've got you basically where you can set your machine up, cut some parts, nest some parts, things like that. So basically, I feel like you've got enough information now to start using your machine. So let's just go back through some of these menus and we'll kind of go through all of them, kind of one at a time. So, um, you know, all this kind of stuff is self-explanatory, like the user parameters. We dabbled at that a little bit earlier. A lot of this stuff you wouldn't want to change. Imported units, like if you're going to import some drawings of metric, of course you'd want to come here and select metric so it doesn't get all out of whack. The stuff here, if you wanted to come in here and change colors and blah 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 of what everything you're doing, I mean this is where you'd come to do that. The advanced stuff, that's more for really for Shop Sabre and them to change and info with. Now the hotkeys, if you want to know the list of some hotkeys on the keyboard that you could use, this would be a great place. I didn't even really actually even realize this was here until I was fooling around just looking through stuff. And guys, it doesn't hurt to get around and look around the program. Spend a couple hours, get around, look around, and be surprised what you can find that you can use. There's all your hotkeys, and then your snaps. Enable your snaps. All this stuff should come done from the factory. It'll snap to extreme points, circle centers, nodes, midpoints, geometric centers. So that's all real handy when you're drawing and adding micro joints and stuff like that. All this kind of stuff is really just I don't think we'll ever use much of that or ever have any need to change it. So we'll go back here. Your diagnostic tools. That's I guess if you had a problem, they would send you here to look at some stuff. The installed tools, the reports, the nesting reports, things like that. You can get in and dabble with that, but I'm not seeing where it's just a necessity to get in and do anything. I will tell you this, like you have a measure feature here that you can click on this and drag it over here, and it'll tell you dimensions and it'll tell you a 45-degree angle from there to there. I guess if you wanted to measure something on the print, which I don't use that very often. Usually you can come right here and click on it and it'll tell you just about all the information you need. But it's there if you need it. Like I said, we've been through most all of this stuff in the draw nest, all the nesting stuff. The remnants, not sure really what this stuff does. I don't use it. Now the CNC stuff, we've done the edge detect and the sheet cutoff already. The arc detect, task, batch processing, process editing, calibrate, stuff like that. Overview, nothing. Settings, like I said, this is mostly for Shop Sabre Array tools. Now, the one thing that I do want to show you that is very handy. Now, some of you may not know this, and we're going to get into this in just a minute, but there's some stuff here that you will probably use, and we'll get into that in just a minute. I'm going to go over piercing and a couple of things now in this last section that I'm going to do, but we will start, that will be one of the places that we'll get into. View, you can come here and change the language. Of course, all of us are going to be on English. These are just kind of your quick points for drawing and nesting and stuff like that. These settings here are for your layers. We're going to do that right here next. Actually, the next section will be layers. But just wanted to go through some of the other menu options here with you, and show you what a couple of those things were. So we're going to get into doing the layers in the next section, and then we're going to do the we'll do the Pierce settings and stuff for like steel and all that stuff next. And that was one of the things that we struggled with the most. So we'll do that next, and we'll call this thing a wrap. So hang tight.